Good morning, students. This is your science class. Chapter Good Habit. Students, already I have given you question answers of this chapter, that is from 1 to 5. Today I am going to give you 6 to 10. Question answers 6 to 10. Students, learn this question answer. You will learn the chapter better. See the copy. Students, from 1 to 5 is already completed. Now you start from question 6. 6. How do germs enter our body? Germs enter our body through contaminated food, air and water. Again, listen. Answer. Germs enter our body through contaminated food, air and water. What is contaminated? That means that is polluted or impure. Question number 7. Why should we avoid eating food from roadside vendor? Answer. We should avoid eating food from roadside vendor because this food carry germs that can make us sick. Again listen. We should avoid eating food from roadside vendor because this food carry germs that can make us sick. Yes. Listen. Number 8. How do keeping clean protect us? Keeping clean protects us from infection, disease and illness. Keeping clean protects us from infection, disease and illness. Question number 9. You can see question number 9. Write 3 things our body needs to be in good health. Answer. 3 things our body needs to be in good health are balanced diet, exercise and rest. Answer. 3 things our body needs to be in good health are balanced diet, exercise and rest. Question number 10. How does our body get sick? Answer. Our body gets sick when germs attack body cells and organs. Our body gets sick when germs attack body cells and organs. Students, while you learn the chapter or memorize the chapter, you must learn the spellings also. Okay? That is also important. So you will learn the spellings. See, I have underlined some spellings that you will learn. Maybe that is new for you. Like twice. 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 Brush. Brush. Straight. Straight. Evenly. 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 While. While. Sized. Sized. footwear. FOOTWEAR. Then garbage. 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 Contaminated. CONTAMINATED. You will break the syllables and learn the word. Vendor. 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 Infection. 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 Disease. DISEASE. Illness. 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 Balanced diet. BALANCED. Balanced DIET. Diet. Exercise. EXERCISE. Attack. ATTACK. Cells. CELLS. And organs. ORGANS. Students, you must learn the question answers, and what I said, learning of spelling is also important. So do so, and I will send this still photograph of question answers. From there you will collect, learn and write in your notebook. And that is for today. Thank you. Bye.